TKPSS Secondary School was established by TKPSS Foundation in 1994. Dr. TKPSS, our founder, was a distinguished entrepreneur in Hong Kong. He was renowned for his benevolence as a dedicated educator who invests in teacher training, elementary education, and moral education. Built by all the teachers and pupils here, TKP is a school full of love. In TKP, students' hard work is always well recognized. Students' achievements in their learning and studies help make TKP as warm and supportive as it is. Love is all around. Since the school was first established more than 20 years ago, the administrators and teachers of TKP have been dedicated to nurturing our students so that they will become leaders for tomorrow. We hope that our students can follow the footsteps of Dr. Tin and become leaders who are willing to make contributions to society. Here, students are encouraged to learn through leading others. Through a variety of learning activities and experiences, they prepare for their own future while also getting ready to contribute to society. Hoping to nurture civic leadership in our students, we have invested a great deal in our teaching and learning, students' personal development, and moral education. The school hall and all the classrooms are air-conditioned and well-equipped with multimedia learning facilities to enhance the effectiveness of teaching and learning. TKP is equipped with full Wi-Fi coverage. Other facilities include electronic interactive classroom, wireless projection system in every classroom, and sufficient mobile devices. These are to ensure the effectiveness of e-learning. Introducing self-directed learning tasks supported by electronic devices, we encourage students to learn more actively and independently. The English Corner encourages interactions between the students and the net. We hope to provide students with more opportunities to practice English, also through organizing various co-curricular activities. Students of the English Drama Club rehearse and produce an English musical every year. The English Society would hold events for our students too. To better equip our students with more practical skills that they need as members of society, we offer IT courses covering multimedia production, mobile apps, robotics, 3D modeling, 3D printing, software development, and smart home design. During these courses, students acquire a basic understanding of the related concepts. Yangsan Activity Room has been set for students to hold different events. They all benefit from these extra learning experiences. Facing the mountain ranges, our students can enjoy a scenic and peaceful campus. This school is indeed an ideal place for studying. Dr. TKPSS set a perfect example for all of us through his own actions and words. He recognized the importance of upholding Chinese traditional ideas of morality. Naming the school's new wing Yuhu building, Dr. Tin paid tributes to his father. Teachers and students are all grateful for Dr. Tin's remarkable contributions to education development. We honor and commemorate him through naming new facilities of the school. At the same time, we hope to teach our students to appreciate and cherish what they have. These are more than names, but also reminders of Dr. Tin's passion and spirit. Dr. Tin himself planted the fig tree at our front gate when the school was established. It has survived for many years and even typhoons. We hoped our students can be as tough as this tree. We hope that, even in their darkest hours, they still embrace our four core values: perseverance, care, integrity, and diligence. We welcome all of you here to see for yourselves what Dr. Tin and TKPSS Foundation have done to promote moral education, advocate the Chinese culture, and embrace cultural differences.